Hey YouTube, St. Frank here. Today I just got my hobby box of 2017 Star Wars Masterwork. Very excited to open this. I did these cards back here. I showed they're dual sided, so I wanted to show the other side of the cards here in this video. I'm missing one of the cards, so if anybody has the one I'm missing, I would trade. I have like doubles of a couple of them, so I would be willing to trade one of my doubles for the one I'm missing, so help you make your set. Alright, so let's get opening 2017 Star Wars Masterwork. Such an awesome product. Here's what the boxes look like. Alright, definitely the top of the line Star Wars stuff. Besides, they had this really like $10,000 autograph set that I will never be buying. But as far as the normal person buying, this will be the top of the line stuff. So let's see. That one feels heavy. So this one is heavier. Probably has them down. So we'll open it first. This is, you know, Masterworks has to put medallions in their stuff. Once in a while you get an autographed one though. So we'll see if we get... There's like really amazing boxes of this stuff, and then there's some that are like, eh. So hopefully we got a really nice one. Okay. Each of the little mini boxes has a hit. Alright, so you can see one of them's real thick. It's probably the medallion. So we got Hera Syndulla. We got a R2-D2 Journey to Dagobah insert. I think that's probably going to be numbered. There's a blue Shore Trooper. The blues are not numbered. We got, there's another R2-D2 Adventures, Saving Padme in the Droid Factory. And oh, there's General Leia Organa with the BB-8 medallion. And that is 142 out of 150. So you can tell just by the numbering that they didn't make as much Masterwork this year, which is a good thing. Because I think the bronze medallions were not even numbered last year. This is 148 out of 565. This I actually have some large sleeves. A Journey to Dagobah. The silver colored one there. I'll put one on that. That one too. There. So we'll put our numbered stuff back there. Alright, now for box number 2. This will probably be, well, I can never say never. I might buy another box of this someday, but it's pretty expensive stuff, and I wanted to get one for the opening series, and with the new movie coming out, who knows, when the episode 9 comes out, I might want to do another big opening series, if it's still available at that point. Alright, let's see what we get in box number 2. Alright, so we got Count Dooku, a Death Trooper, we got our blue Jango Fett, we got Mon Mothma, Hall of Heroes, that's an insert set, and it's backwards. I think this is a numbered auto. Looks like it's this way. Oh, Lloyd Sher as Mortis' father, and it's kind of refractory looking. So yeah, out of 50, 34 out of 50. That's nice. I do not have this auto. This is from Clone Wars cartoon. Lloyd Sher as Mortis' father. Alright, so there's hit number 2. Also, there are SPs in this. The ones that are over like number 78 or something like that. The SPs are really hard to get. I think they're like 4 per case. Alright, box number 3. Ooh, really thin one. So I don't know what that means. I hope I can get shorted a card here. There's redemption, so maybe I got a redemption. No, that's 5 cards. Alright, so we start off with the Captain Ithano. And that's number 73. That might be an SP, I'm not sure. And we have Bistan. That's out of 99. 79 out of 99. The greens. The old Space Monkey. Put him back there. Got Jin Urso. We got a Meeting of Necessity insert. Let's go ahead and flip this around. Oh, this might be a sketch. Ooh, it is a sketch. Oh, cool. That's, I don't know if that's Ton Wee or the master guy, or the Camino guys. That's pretty cool. Pretty detailed sketch there. By Callan Archer. I think I have a Callan Archer sketch. That was pretty cool. I wasn't expecting a sketch, so that one is sweet. I can't remember what the head Camino guy's name was. It's either him or Lamassu. Callan Archer. I like when they write their name out and sign it. Easy to find out who did that. Okay, so that's very nice. Okay, last box. So we got a sketch, medallion, and an auto so far. Do we get another auto? Okay, that's another real thin one, but that doesn't really mean anything. I thought the last one was too thin, but it wasn't. Okay, so we got General Veers. Resistance Left Standing. That's kind of a canvassy one. I wonder if that's numbered. We got Harris Syndulla. Purple. That is out of 50. 18 out of 50. Of course, she's from Rebels. We got Bitter Defeat on Hoth. Yeah, see, this must be numbered because it has gold lettering and it's like a matte finish on it. Let's flip this around. First we'll look at that. Yeah, that's out of 99. Resistance Left Standing. So getting a lot of numbered cards. And last hit. Oh, cool. I did not have his autograph. Ian McElhenney as John Dodonna. I think that's from Rogue One. Don't think it's the way back in the original Star Wars John Dodonna. And that's of course on card. So I'm pretty happy. Let's review all the goodies here. Alright, so quite a few goodies for one box here. A Resistance Left Standing out of 99. Got this Silver Journey to Dagobah R2D2 series out of 565. General Leia Organa medallion out of 150. You got this out of 50. Harris Syndulla purple. Out of 99, Bistan Space Monkey green. This awesome sketch card of, I'm just going to say it's Lamassu, but it could be the head guy. I have to look at pictures of those, see if which one that is. By Callan Archer. And two nice autos. One numbered out of 50, Lloyd Scher as Mortis' father, and John Dodonna, who I think is from Rogue One. And this guy was from Clone Wars. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.